Hi students, good morning to all. So already you know that how to multiply the algebraic expression, and already you know that how to divide monomial to monomial. So now today what we discussed means the same division but monomial to polynomial. Okay, it is in trinomial, but more than one we take it as a polynomial. Poly means many, it takes 2, 3 and more than 3. So 2 means we take it as a binomial, 3 we say it as a trinomial, but more than one we generally we say it as a polynomial. So as usual, same method what we need to write means 12a cube plus 20a square minus 28a, it is divided by 4a. So this is the condition. So this one can be written in the form 12a cube plus 20a square minus 28a whole divided by 4a. So in numerator all the values it's have a common denominator. Okay, so what I have to do means I need to divide separately 12a cube divided by 4a plus 20a square divided by 4a minus 28a divided by 4a. Okay, you can recall if the denominator are same, you can add or subtract the numerator. So in this condition we can split. Okay, so as usual, same in multiplication what we have to do, first we focus the symbol, next we multiply the number, and next we multiply the variable. Same way, instead of multiplication here we need to divide, but that symbol condition is also same symbol is plus, different symbol minus. So here the numerical coefficient is nothing but 4. So we take 4 how many times? 1 times 4, 1 times 4, and here 3 times. Okay, here how many a is there? 1 times. So what we need to do, you need to reduce 1 from, because a power n, it is a power m minus n. So 3 minus 1 it become 2. So totally it cancelled, it become 2. So finally what you get 3a square. And next 1 times 4, 5 times 20. As usual a, and it reduced by 1. Okay, so finally what you get 5a. 1 4 is 4 and 7 times 28. A will get cancelled. Finally you get only the constant value minus 7. So once you divide this two, 12a cube plus 20a square minus 28a divided by 4a is equal to, you get 3a square plus 5a minus 7. Now we move on to question number B. So here binomial and polynomial. Here it's different. We can't take over anything separately. So what we have to do means we need to take a division method. I inform you how to divide. So as usual you can write 10a cube minus 11a square plus 19a plus 10. This one it's divided by 5a plus 2. This is your question. So you know how to divide normally. So normal division you can take like this: 10a cube minus 11a square plus 19a plus 10, 5a plus 2. Okay, so what we need to do means you need to take over the first term of this and this one, divisor and dividend. We need to take the first term. Just you go to the rougher column, 10a cube is divided by 5a. As usual method, you need to find out the quotient. You can divide the first term. Okay, so 1 times 5, 2 times, so coefficient is 2 and it can be reduced by 2, so a to the power 2. So in a quotient what you get, 2a to the power 2. Now you multiple 2 5s are, that is plus into plus, plus 2 5s are 10 a cube, plus into plus, plus 2 2s are 4 a to the power 2. So once you subtract the values in division condition, once you subtract means you need to change the symbol for second one. So what it means, it become minus. So plus become minus. As usual, the second one is also plus become minus. This plus become minus. Now you can compare plus 10 minus 10. So this whole value it become 0. Here minus 11 minus 4 is there. Minus 11 minus 4. So this one becomes 0. Minus minus common symbol. So you take minus. And the same symbol means you need to add 11. 4 it become 15 and the common variable is a square. Next what we need to do, we have to take another term plus 19a. Again you go to the same process. You need to compare the first term of divisor and dividend. Here first term is nothing but minus 15a to the power 2 divided by 5a. Always this 5a is the common. Okay, only the first term of the divisor is changed. So 1 times 5 it becomes 3 times. So now you get minus 3 and a it reduced by power 1. So minus 3a. So in quotient what we need to take, minus 3a. Now you multiple with this new term. You take only minus 3a and multiple with the 5a plus 2. Plus into minus, minus. 5 3s are 15a square. Plus into minus, minus. 3 2s are 6a. And next what you need to do, we need to change the symbol. So this minus become plus. This minus become plus. Now you just recheck it. Minus 15 plus 15, this whole term will be cancelled and it becomes 0. So plus 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 19 plus 6 you get 25a. And finally what you have 10. So I just take this 10 for second term. Again you take over the first term, that is 25a is divided by 5a. a will get cancelled. 1 times 5. So we take only 5. So plus into plus, plus 25a. 5 2s are 10. Plus 10. Next step, as usual, you can change the symbol. Minus, minus. Now you can see plus 25 minus 25 cancel. Plus 10 minus 10 cancel. So whole value will cancel. So totally you get 0. So when you divide 10a cube minus 11a square plus 19a plus 10 by 5a plus 2, you get the remainder is 0 and then quotient is 2a square minus 3a plus 5. If you multiple this 2, you get the same. Question number 3. Find quotient and remainder in each of the following. So here we need to find out quotient and also the remainder. And before we get all the remainders as 0, so here we need to write quotient and remainder separately. As usual, same division method. So 2m power 5 minus 3m power 4 minus 4m power 3 plus m power 2 minus 6 divided by m square minus 1. So now you compare the power. 5, 4, 3, 2 is there. Where is 1? It missing. So in division you take 0 for that term. M square minus 1. So 2m power 5 minus 3m power 4 minus 4m to the power 3 plus m power 2 plus 0 minus 6. Why I have to take means that is m power 1. Okay. So now as usual method you can compare the first term. 2m power 5 divided by m power 2. M power 2 cancel. It reduced 2 and you remaining 3. So 2m power 3. So 2m power 3. 2 ones are 2. M power 3 into m power 2, it become m power 5. Okay. And then next 2 into 1. So here also you can see m power 2 is there. m is not there. So what we need to do, you need to take that also 0. So for x 0 minus 1, you need to check both divisor and dividend. Is there any missing terms? You can put 0 for that. So m power 3 into m power 2, you get m power 5. So 2 into 0, you get 0, plus into minus, minus 2 m power 3. Now next step, you know that we need to change the symbol. Plus become minus, minus, minus become plus. So now plus 2 minus 2 cancelled thoroughly. Minus 3 minus 0, you need to add. So minus 3 0, you get same minus 3 m to the power 4, and then plus minus different symbol, it becomes minus 2 m to the power 3, and we take another term, that is m power 2. Again we compare the terms. 3 m power 4 divided by m square, you get minus 3 m power 2, minus 3 m power 2. So plus into minus, minus 1 3s are 3 m power 4, 3 m to the power 4, and so now it becomes 0 plus 0 plus 3m square. Now same procedure, change the symbol, and this one become cancelled, and remaining what you get minus 2 m power 3 minus 3m square plus, and then minus 2m square, and finally we take this 0, that is for m. Okay, so we take that 0. So what we get, we need to again we compare the first term, 2 m power 3 divided by m square, you get minus 2m. We need to multiply with the minus 2m, you get minus 2m power 3 plus 0 plus 2m, minus plus into minus, minus 2m into m square, it become 2m power 3 as the same minus plus 0 or minus 0, whatever it is you take over, minus into minus plus 2m. As usual, same procedure. Now we change the symbol, it become plus, plus, minus. Now you compare, this one becomes 0, and here you can take minus 2m square as it is, minus 2m, and finally we need to take last term, that is minus 6. Again minus 2m square is cancelled by m square, m square cancelled, we need to multiply with minus 2. So finally you get minus 2m square minus 0 plus 2. So plus, plus, minus, what we get, it will become cancelled, and here it is minus 2m minus 8. So now you can see minus 2m, so there is no terms hereafter. So now the process is completed. So this is the remainder, and this is the quotient. So we need to write separately what is quotient. Quotient is equal to 2m power 3 minus 3m square minus 2m minus 2. This is the quotient, and the remainder. Remainder is nothing but minus 2m minus 8. So how you verified? So in the next sum, what we have to do means the same division, same quotient you get it, same remainder you get it. Okay, but how you verified means, in verification you need to multiple quotient into divisor plus remainder. If you multiple and add the remainder means you get the dividend. Okay, you need to multiply this two and add the remainder. Finally, you get the quotient, that is the divisor. Okay. Question number 4. Divide and verify the result. Already I informed you know how you verify the result. So, verification is done. You need to multiply quotient into divisor and you must add the remainder. If you add the remainder means you get the dividend. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. This is the verification. We need to follow that to find the result. The dividend is nothing but this one, divisor is this one. You divide both, you get quotient and remainder, and you follow this rule, you get that same dividend. That is the verification. So now in a solution, x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 5 divided by x square plus x minus 1. You can see power 3, power 2, power 1 and 0. 2, 1, 0. So all the powers are presented. So now you continue the same. X power 3 plus 3x power 2 minus 3x minus 5 and x square plus x minus 1. As usual the same method, so I won't give any deep explanation for this. We just compare the first term. So it is 2 and it is 3, so 2 cancelled and 3 so x. So now you just multiple with x, plus into plus and x cube plus x square plus into minus x. Next step the same, you change the symbol, minus plus. It will get cancelled and plus 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 it is 2. X square minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 you get minus 2x, and we take the last term, that minus 5 as it is same. Again you compare, 2x square is divisible by x square, answer result is 2. So we multiply with 2. 2 into x square, 2x square, plus into plus 2 into x plus 2x, plus into minus 2 ones are 2. Same procedure, minus plus. So now this one will get cancelled, and finally what is the remainder you get? Minus 2 it become minus 4 as same variable. Minus 5 plus 2 you get minus 3. So now you get the quotient is x plus 2 and remainder is minus 4x plus 3. So now I just write a quotient. Quotient is nothing but x plus 2 and then remainder is equal to minus 4x minus 3. Now what we need to do? We need to do the verification. Now I want to do the verification. So verification already I told, quotient is multiple with divisor and add the remainder, you get the dividend. So here quotient is nothing but x plus 2. So again I write quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to the dividend. So this is the, so quotient is x plus 2 and this is multiple with the divisor x square plus x minus 1. This is the first step, plus the remainder is minus 4x minus 3. Okay, so now what we need to take? First we take this multiplication and I have to multiply x into all the term. X into x power 2 we get x power 3, x into x plus x square plus into minus x. So we complete first term to all the term, and second we multiple 2 into this 2 plus into plus plus 2x square plus 2x square plus 2x minus 2 plus minus 4x minus 3. So now what we need to do, x cube we need to take that alone, x cube, and x square plus 2x square it become plus 3x square minus x 2x, so it become minus x, and finally you get minus 2. So plus into minus, minus 4x minus 3. So now we compare the like terms. X cube and x square seems to be alone. So x cube x square is alone. Here you can see plus x minus 4x. These two are like terms. You get plus minus difference. So 4 minus 1 you get minus 3x. Okay. So what I have to write means x cube is alone and x square plus 3x square is alone, and x and 4x are like terms with a different symbol. So 4 minus 1 3, so 4 is bigger, minus 3x minus 2 minus 3 in integer, same symbol, you put that symbol and add 3 plus 2 5. You can see x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 5. X cube 3x square minus 3x minus 5, we get the dividend. So we find the quotient and remainder are correct. By the verification you get the dividend. Okay dears, remaining sums you can do it as a homework. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை